Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to play Teardown. And what on earth just happened? Did I just shrink? I think I just shrunk. This is not good. Wait, what's this? Is this a mouse?
You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so.
Yo, this is a... What was that? What just broke? Yo, Minecraft! No one plays anymore. Yay. Wait, this is sorta cool. This is actually... Oh. Whoa. They added realism. What? This is cool. Alright. Yeah. More pencils. Whoa. What? I can't damage the monitors. Okay, what happened here? I guess this is my toy cars. Oh, I see, it's a ramp. Ouch. That's what hurt. Oh, wow. Keep calm? For what? Why should I be calm? BeamNG? That's funny. Who's this? Different moods. God. Huh. It's cool. Oh. This is a nice cactus. Let's see if it has the same effect. It does, I think. Yeah, it does. This is the soil. Whoa. Where's the roots? Do cactuses even have roots? Maybe. Okay. This thing's huge. That's enormous. That's enormous. What's that? What is this? Oh no. Oh. Whoopsies, I broke my mom's dishwasher. Oh. 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 This is good. What even is that? Look at this. Did insurance cover this? Probably not. Oh. Okay. Is everything all of a sudden breakable? You can't break that. Hold on. Uh-oh. Ouch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please help me. Okay, good. Run. Yeah. Oh, flash shards, gotta be careful. FBI! Oh, uh-oh, that's not good. Oh no. Ah, okay, that's better. Am I inside of a cupboard? What? I don't know where I am. Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh no. Okay, I think I need to stop using the bombs. Come on. Okay, I thought I was stuck there for a second. Just, yes, finally. We need to blow this up. Sorry, Mom! Actually, it's not sorry. Blowing it up. Oh yeah, the rats attacked the kitchen last night, as you can tell. Termite. How's this chair still standing? Wood. I hope that does not get caught on fire too soon. Oh no, it's fine. Wow! Oh, termite attack. That's not good. I hate termites. Oh! Whoa. Wait, is that a TV? It is. Oh. No one's watching TV today. Oh no! I did not mean for that to happen. Sorry guys, there's no TV. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh no. Go that way. Look at these stupid chairs. Nope. Oh no. That's not good. Oh no, it's carpet. No, it's carpet. Carpet. Whew. That was a close one. Little burn marks, but that's okay. Keep calm. Alright, I'll be calm. I'll be calm. I'm very calm. There we are. And how is it still light? Is it because of the sun? Hold on. How about night? Oh. Whoa. I like it at night. No, it's my PC. Let's go in it. It's not hooked. I wonder why your monitors aren't working. Huh. Oh, that's that. Let's just let that burn. Oh, it's an apple. Ew. Worms are eating this apple. Oh. Ooh. No. Oh. Let's see. Sorry, BeamNG. Is this the front door to go away? That thing. And like this. Break. Okay, that's the opposite of breaking, but okay. And boop. Oh yeah. Ho ho ho. Monitor. Uh-oh. How did that not break? No, that has to break. Some of it. What? What is this? Who's eating hamburgers? Tasty. Oh. There we are. The cake is a lie. It's not a lie. It's right here. Yeah, I think you have mice in the kitchen. Oh. 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 That's how it's done. My guy has LEDs. Oh. Well. Fridge is no longer available. Wait, I just want to see what's in the freezer. Oh, they just have my. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah. We're just gonna destroy all this. Oh no, the PC's lagging. Oh. Oh. What happened to the chair? Oh wow. This is crazy. Oh. Oh no, not my new laptop. Oh, come on, man. You seriously don't know how expensive that laptop was? Oh, come on. No. The cake is a lie. Is that all what the cake did? Look at all this damage. Wait, this is a Minecraft painting. Oh! Who puts bombs in a creeper? Oh wait, because they are a creeper. I'm just gonna get my... Hold on, guys. Guys, I need help. I'm getting hunted down. You guys won't believe me, but I am. By these things. No. Ow. Ouch, ouch. Oh no. Doctor Who is real after all. Dalek! What? Oh man.
There was some.
as I was saying, the Alex are trying to kill me.